Hey, my dear. Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to learn some new words. Let's go. Let's start. Listen and repeat. Lake, lake. I like to swim in the lake. I like to swim in the lake. Farm, farm. There are cows and chickens on the farm. There are cows and chickens on the farm. Town, town. My family lives in a small town. My family lives in a small town. Cousin, cousin. My cousin is very funny. My cousin is very funny. Cafe, cafe. We go to the cafe for tea. We go to the cafe for tea. Bridge, bridge. The bridge goes over the river. The bridge goes over the river. Bright, bright. It is a bright day. It is a bright day. Cute, cute. That kitten is so cute. That kitten is so cute. Well done. Now is quiz time. A, B, or C? Question 1. Where do we drink coffee? A. Farm. B. Cafe. C. Lake. Question 2. What is over the river? A. Bridge. B. Cousin. C. Cute. The answer for question 1 is cafe. The answer for question 2 is bridge. Well done. Let's practice. Lake, 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 lake. Farm, 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 farm. Town, 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 town. Cousin, 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 cousin. Cafe, 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 cafe. Bridge, 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 bridge. Bright, 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 bright. Cute, 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 cute. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and write in the comments any lessons request. Also, before you go, if you want to practice more, you're going to love the next class. Click the next video above and let's have some fun.